girl version of Forrest.
Walk, girl, walk!
That was Brenda, everybody.
Shut up!
Aww.
What about Rico and Barry?
Rico is her pet ladybug.
Admit it.
That's
He's gone. Don't be jealous, bitch.
Hello World.
Hello.
Yeah, this is our mini-series again. 46 seconds of mini-series. See, that's boring Jazzy, and that is horny Cindy. Horny Cindy. And this is short, and I'm shorty. And that was boring.
Rachel, she's supposed to be horny corny.
Oh, you're horny corny. Yeah. This is to all you stalkers.
No,
fuck you.
They're fucking chesters.
You want stalkers? You want
Do I
stalkers?
want a fucking stalker?
Fuck that shit.
Ow.
We like stalkers.
Then we send you to jail.
We like stalkers so we can send them to jail. Fun. Bunny.
And hey, if you're married, don't stalk us, you whores.
I know, we like, ew, God. Sicko, you perv.
No, stupid, they're called chesters.
They're called what, Brenda?
Chesters, the child molesters.
Oh. Look at you, like you just found that out. Okay, today it's really hot. See the sun?
I'm looking at this as a kid, too.
We're just walking, you know. See, I don't see what the big
I
deal
used
is.
to think those things were
That's the track. Ooh.
No,
Where there's ladybugs. Ladybugs.
And there, Rico met his death.
It's cool down.
Not really. Still hot.
Ha, loser. No, like that.
Fuck you.
Yeah. Ah, shit. If you're ever in wait, never mind. If you're ever in the city near us, come visit Smallville.
Hi.
Yeah. See. Goodbye now. This is our school. Goodbye, people. Say goodbye. Bye. Make a shout out.